Karnataka government slammed by Supreme Court for revoking the 4% OBC quota for Muslims. The Supreme Court has given a stay order until April 18th. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta is confident no appointments or admissions will happen until Tuesday the 18th. Justice K.M. Joseph and B. Vinagaratna said the foundation for the decision making of revoking 4% reservation for Muslims is flawed. The court said the state should have waited for a final report before abolishing it. Senior advocate Dushyant Dave and Kapil Sibal argued, based on the collated data, that Muslims are entitled to reservations and Muslims are a backward community in Karnataka and that reservations cannot be for political reasons.
The development in the Supreme Court on the writ filed on the government of Karnataka's notification cancelling 4% reservation to the Muslims under 2B category is very welcoming. The observations made by honorable judges, initial observations are very encouraging, and we have a very good case. The government of Karnataka has deliberately betrayed the Muslim community to please certain sections for the sake of elections, just at the fag when before the announcement of the elections. So it is illegal, and we are confident and hopeful that the Honorable Supreme Court will do us justice.